Morning. Okay, I'm making a follow-up concerning our products. This is the stem cell. The stem cell is a super life product and it's based on the herbs. It's a herb therapy. This product is ahead of its time because this product's uses are to manage and to prevent or even to address a disease or a healthy condition that you could be going through. It replaces neurons that are damaged by spinal cord injuries or by stroke or by Parkinson disease, or by any other neurological problem. This also addresses more other injuries or damages that could have happened in your body, in your health, because of anything that you could have gone through in your life. As we age, our stem cell in the body also is reducing. That's why you see that a child can heal faster if they are injured, but of the bones of anything, but an elderly person doesn't. It's because the stem cell is reducing in number as we grow. So whether you are sick or you are not, you are encouraged to go through the process of taking the stem cell for that's maintenance purposes, so that you can boost your immune system. It's also an anti-aging product. You look younger and vibrant, you glow. So this is the way to go. Speaking of the Xiangzhiling, this also is very helpful in managing the diabetes, in managing and regulating diabetes and HIV. It helps you if you are, I had forgotten. This helps to produce insulin, which fight diabetes in diabetic people. And also, if you are diabetic, you are encouraged to take the stem cell because it balances your insulin. Those who are, because we all know that the lack of insulin or too much of it affects people in their blood sugar level, which leads to diabetes. Thus, the miracle in a bottle. Do you have a stroke? Are you asthmatic? Do you have tumors in the body? Do you have womb problem? Do you have infertility problem? Do you have cancer? Are you epileptic? Do you have herpes? Are you arthritic? Do you have a kidney problem? This also protects your liver. Are you suffering from constipation? Are you having ulcer? Are you having acid? Are you having bronchitis? Are you having a high blood? This also improves your memory. It also regulates all your hormones in your body. So if you are found with the list of the disease that I just mentioned now, or any other thing that could be that I didn't mention, you are encouraged to take the Xiangzhiling. This one is magical. You can tell yourself you are not sick, but when you take this, you will know that you are sick. I was having the same mentality until I challenged the doctor, and he challenged me back. I took the challenge, and I realized that when I thought I'm okay, I realized I have a problem with the eyes and the intestines. Yes, I'm now taking it for medical purposes. Relatives, friends, or beloved ones who have been going up and down, trying to treat disease that they are not even knowing, and there is no solution to it, thus exposes the real thing that you are suffering from, and it deals with it. If you are having a steel in your body, you can't go with this way, because this has a tendency of wanting to remove any foreign body that is found in your body. And when it finds it out, after scanning, it wants to remove it. So if you went through the accident and they told you, they put steel in your body, you are not allowed to take this, because it will fight against it, wanting to remove it. So this you can only take if you are not having a nsimbi in your body, so to speak, because it affects the process. So I'm encouraging you today to take charge of your health today and make sure that you embark on this journey with me to replace your neurons, to regulate your insulin, to heal diseases, and to boost your immune system, to scan your body, to find the ailment, and to heal your ailments. This helps in anything. The combination is magical, as small as it is, but it's a dynamite in a small package. Take charge of your health today. Do the right thing.